If you want, we are not supporting IEBC. But if you want to bring IEBC down, if you want to bring any institution of governance in this country down, basically you have to follow the law. And that insofar as CORD is not following the law, they are championing anarchy in this country. When you champion anarchy, you basically ruin the very fabric that the society stands on. So our position was that if they persist in this, then Kenyans would be at liberty to rise and tell the whole world that they want to defend constitutionalism and the rule of law. Remember, the argument of CORD has been based on the fact that they want a kind of IPPG formula that was done in 1997. But IPPG formula was arrived at before we had a new constitution. This new constitution came into play and was supported by the very, very top leadership of CORD. And we thought, and as a country, we should have confidence in the constitution. So we are saying, if you have issues that are tangible, then please approach the relevant institutions, debate these issues, and a solution will be found out. Ours was not to counter CORD. Ours was to call upon our people to rise in defense of the constitution, the rule of law, and the sovereignty of this country.